Finishing off your notes for parabola, you want to glue down numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. But you don't have to have graphs for these. You're just writing the equation based on the information given to you. So what you want to do is you want to match the information given to you with the formula box up here to know which equation to use. Taking a quick look at number 5. Focus is 1, 0. That's P0. Looking up here, P0 is the horizontal equation of y squared equals 4px. 1, 0 tells us two things. It tells us, number 1, we're using this equation, and number 2, that p is equal to 1. So over here in number 5, 1, 0 implies that p equals 1. Then it further implies I'm using this formula of y squared equals 4px. What you want to do then is plug in this 1, 4 times 1. So your final answer is y squared equals 4x. You want to leave your answer in this format because it's easiest to use in this format. Okay? We'll do the same thing in number 6. Number 6 says the focus is 0, 2. So what does 0, 2 tell me? Well, 0, 2 tells me that p equals 2. But now 2 is in the y variable, so I look up here. If the 2 is in the y variable, then your equation is x squared equals 4py. So x squared equals 4py. You then plug in the p, so you get 2. So x squared equals 8y. That will be your final answer. If the information given to you is the focus, your p is always a value that is the non-zero number. If the information given to you is a directrix, like number 7 and 8, your p is the opposite of the value given to you. For example, in number 7, directrix equals 3. X equals 3. That means your p value is actually negative 3. So that tells you that p equals negative 3. And also x equals 3, if I look up here, an x equation tells me it's a horizontal parabola. And I'm using this formula, y squared equals 4px. So coming down here, y squared equals 4px, plugging in the negative 3, I will get a final answer of y squared equals negative 12x. Similarly, number 8, the directrix given to me is y equals 3. That implies that my p is still negative 3. But now my equation this time, because it's y equals 3, looking up here, y equals negative p, is using this formula of x squared equals 4py. So x squared equals 4py. You want to plug in the negative 3 and having your final answer be x squared equals negative 12y. And that will be your final answer. So the first 4 problems we were dealing with graphing the parabola. The next 4 problems is giving you information and you write the equation of the parabola. Okay?